Hey folks, this is Chet. So on our last day of teaching, what you're going to need for next year is multiplying two binomials once you get into Algebra 2. So I'm going to go through that with you today on two examples, and then I will let you do a total of 6 problems for today. I'm going to send you 3 things. 1 will be this video on foiling. 2 will be a class kick, the piece of paper that you're going to do the rest of the 6 problems. And then I'll ask you a 2-question Google quiz. So here you go. There's other ways that if you want to distribute twice, that's what foiling means. But I will color code this for you. And when we do first term times first term, that's these two here in blue, I'm going to get a 2 times 5 is 10, n times n is n squared. Now I'm going to do the outsides, and we have 2n times negative 2. That's going to give us a negative 4n. I'm going to go ahead and do the insides. 5n times 1 is 5n. And last times last, negative 2 times 1 gives me a negative 2. Great. Now, as you can see, these two are like terms, the negative 4n and 5n. And when we add them together, we get a positive 1n. And there's our final answer. 10n squared plus 1n minus 2. Most of the time, the insides and outsides are going to combine. I'll do one more problem with you, and I don't want this video to be too long since it is the last day. You're only going to have to do 6 problems as well as do the Google quiz. So 3n times 2n, that's going to give us a 3 times 2 is 6, n times n is n squared. All right, now notice I'm color coding these. We're going to do the outsides, and that's a 3n times negative 1, which is going to give me a negative 3n. Insides will be a negative 5 times 2n. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Don't forget the n. And then last times last, negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. And yes, we are going to have to combine these two, the orange and the green, and notice they get to a negative 13. They add up to a negative 13. So this is my final answer, 6n squared minus 13n plus 5. There you go, folks. Look for the paper, which I'll give you towards class kick. You have this video, and then don't forget the little Google quiz. There you go. Take care. Bye-bye.